In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest way to start dropshipping in 2024, leveraging the power of AI. Now, I've been dropshipping for the past 4 years now, and I've been able to generate some pretty good results. And this tool that I'm about to show you literally feels like a cheat code. It automatically builds you a high converting, custom built dropshipping store loaded with winning products that are found by their team of product research experts and are constantly being updated with what's trending in the market. And the best part of all of this is that this tool is 100% free, which is absolutely insane because again, it feels like an absolute cheat code. So to take advantage of this, you're gonna wanna head to this website right here. And I will also leave the link down in the description so that you guys can easily find it. And no, I'm not associated with this, nor am I getting paid to promote this. And you guys are gonna follow the instructions to start building your store. It's crazy how this will literally only take you 12 minutes to do so. I remember when I first started dropshipping, it literally took me weeks to build my very first store. So all right guys, let's jump right onto the laptop and I'll walk you through exactly how to set up your store. All right guys, so when you click the link down below in the description, you're gonna be brought to this landing page right here where you're gonna be asked to pop in your email. Now I highly recommend you make a brand new email to run this specific store with. Just makes things so much easier and so much more organized. So then you're gonna just need to enter your name here and then a password. So we're just gonna put colon and then a password. We'll just make it AI store and then agree to the terms and conditions. All this is very standard stuff. You don't have to worry about that. And then we're gonna be brought to the next page. We're gonna let the AI do its thing. And now we have successfully created our account on the AI store builder. So now we're simply just gonna go through these next couple of questions and start designing our store right here. So I'm gonna go with just the blue one right here and just click done. And then we get to choose 2 banners for our store. So I'm gonna go with free shipping and fair prices guaranteed and just click done again. So this just makes things super, super easy. So now we need to open up our store on Shopify. So we're just gonna scroll down here and click access Shopify. And we're just gonna simply sign up that email that we just created before and just sign up for our free trial. It is only $1 a month. So you guys are literally getting all this. You're getting your store built for 100% free. And then Shopify is only $1 a month. So it's honestly the biggest steal that I've ever seen. So with all this, we can just click skip all and just jump right into our store. So we'll just sign up with the email and then create a password for our store. Great, so now we're creating our Shopify account. And once this is created, we're gonna then head back to the AI store builder and finish the next couple of steps on building our AI store. Great, so our trial has just started. Our Shopify is now all signed up for and ready to go. So now we can head back to our AI store builder tab and click done on this specific step. Now the next step is gonna be connecting your Shopify store. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head back to our Shopify store right here, and we're just gonna grab the address or link or URL from our Shopify store. So that's just above right here. You guys can't see it on the screen recording, but it's essentially just the URL when you're in the Shopify tab. And we're just gonna scroll down here and paste that right into the AI store builder and click save on that. And it has confirmed that our URL is valid, and we're just gonna click done again. All right, so this next step is essential when creating your AI store. So we're essentially gonna be installing the AI store builder onto our Shopify store. So this step can get a little bit tricky. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to head back onto Shopify and we're gonna head down to the apps and sales channels tab. So on Shopify right here, you just go down to settings, and then we're gonna scroll down to apps and sales channels right here. Let's just head back to the AI store builder, click on the Shopify screen and start developing your own app. So allow custom app development right there. So we're just gonna click develop apps on the top there and then allow custom app development right there and click create app. So now we're just gonna click allow right there and then create an app. So this app name is gonna be ecom.express. So we're just gonna type that in, ecom.express, which is the AI store builder. And then the app developer is just gonna be our store right there. And we're just gonna create the app just like that. So once the app is created right here, we're just gonna head back and go to the next step. So we're just gonna configure admin API scopes. So just this button right here. So once we click that, we're just gonna head back and we are going to accept all of the different applications here. You just need to click each and every single box. It is a little bit tedious, but this essentially just allows the AI store builder to actually access and build every single piece of your store. So we're just gonna head down here and configure all of these different settings. and we're just gonna save the button at the top of the screen. So we're just gonna click save right there. So once you finish selecting all these different boxes, we are gonna head back to the AI store builder. Make sure that all the boxes are indeed checked, or else the AI store builder won't work. So once that's all done, we are just gonna click the done button right there. Then we will be brought to the next step, which, trust me, this may seem a little bit confusing and overwhelming, but trust me, this is a one-time setup that you only have to worry about once, and that's why I'm making this video, walking you through each and every single step of the process. So then we're gonna click on the Ecommerce app that we just created on our store, and we're gonna go to API credentials and install the app. And then we're gonna need the access tokens. So let's go back to our Shopify store and click on the Ecommerce app that we just installed into our Shopify store. Click into the app, API credentials, and install the app onto our store. So we're just gonna click API credentials right here, then install the app right onto our store just like that, and click install. Now, once that's done, we will have an API token that gets automatically created for us. So we're just gonna click reveal token once and make sure you copy and paste this token. And then we're gonna head back to the AI store builder and scroll down and paste that token right into here. Now you'll know if you do this correctly if you click save just like that, and the AI store builder will actually verify that you did this step correctly and that it won't mess up your Shopify store. So here, since we were given the done option, this was indeed a correct setup. So now is the fun part, and we've gotten all the way done through setting up the AI store builder on our store. But in order for it to work, we actually need to sign up for Shopify. So we did sign up for the free trial on Shopify, but in order for apps to actually work on the store, we need to actually be on a plan. So see, as you can see at the top here, we are not actually on a Shopify plan. We're just gonna click select a plan right here, and they have all different plans lined up for you. We are just gonna go with the basic plan. That is all you need. You don't need to do any of these advanced or plus ones. We're just gonna go with the cheapest basic plan, which is only $1 for your very first month. I'm just gonna click select the basic plan, and I'm just gonna enter in my billing info right here, and I'll see you once I finish that. Okay, so I've successfully subscribed and popped in my billing info, and then now we can just click add later for our actual information on our store. So now we're just gonna scroll down and click check Shopify settings right here, and the AI store builder will verify that we actually signed up for our trial so it can actually create our store for us. So now we're just gonna click done on there. Now we can actually customize our store. So we simply click this customize our store button, and in less than 1 minute, the AI store builder is going to build our completely done for us store. So now we just click that button. So the customization is processed, and we can click done right there. So now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna add 20 winning products to our store. So to do so, again, with a simple click of a button, this would usually take you hours on end to find the products, build out the descriptions, get the images, and add them to your store. We're gonna do all this with a simple click of a button by clicking add products to our store. And this process may take a little bit of time, but you just have to let the AI do its thing and just be patient with it. So now we're just gonna click done, and the products that you get from the AI store builder is pulling from hundreds of thousands of different winning products that are trending around the world. So don't worry, you're not getting the same 20 products as everybody else, because that would simply be awful in terms of competition. You're getting 20 unique products for every single unique store that you build. So now we have finally reached just the very last step, which is actually publishing our store. So now we're just gonna scroll down here, and we are going to remove the password and publish our store and make our website live. Essentially allow customers to actually come on and you can start making sales on it. So we're just gonna simply scroll down, click this button, access Shopify. It's gonna bring us directly to the link and bring us down right here. So we're just gonna need to add our store address right here. So now, after putting in your information about your billing address and your store address, we are going to remove the password on our Shopify store just by doing so with the click of a button and clicking the save button at the bottom there. And now our online store is open to everyone. So we're gonna head back to the AI store builder and click done on this button right here. And now, congratulations, your store is 100% done and ready for you to start generating sales. We're gonna click access. And as you can see here, it is with the exact color scheme, and we already have products lined up, ready to go and ready to sell. And see, this was the exact banner that we chose, and it's a great website with a bunch of different features. I've literally used this exact theme on multiple of my winning products on my stores, and the results that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, that was all generated with products that the AI store builder pulls. The exact same type of products and the exact same store design is the exact design that top dropshippers use to generate millions and millions of dollars in sales. So now we're gonna head back to the AI store builder because there are some more things that you can do, such as finding your supplier, connecting your store to your supplier, and accessing all your orders that you want to fulfill. Now, these suppliers that they hook you up with are great suppliers. A lot of the products that they actually will supply you with do ship from the United States, so you don't have that massive headache with long shipping times from China and bad product quality. So I do highly recommend that you set up your supplier with Zendrop. But for the purposes of this video, I'm not gonna walk you through setting up your entire supplier, as it is extremely simple. And if you've already made it this far, you'll definitely be able to figure this out. And our fully designed and ready to go Shopify store. This is absolutely insane and mind blowing to me how this tech is available to you guys. Not only available, but for 100% free. But make sure you take advantage of this while you still can, because it's truly an insane opportunity for people just getting started in dropshipping and e-commerce, and even experts in the field. And that's literally it. You now have a custom built professional dropshipping store made for you in less than 12 minutes. Now with this store, you can replicate the success of myself and tens of thousands of other successful dropshippers, generating tens of thousands of dollars a month, or even some millions of dollars each and every single month. Now what the AI store builder also does is there's a free course and community that I've personally joined and I found to be extremely helpful, even at an advanced level like myself. But from the eyes of a beginner, this is extremely valuable and gives you all the information that you need to know to start generating your first $1,000 or $10,000 online. If I had these resources when I first started, it would have literally saved me months of time and thousands of dollars. And the craziest part about all this is that you guys are getting this for 100% free. There's really no risk to you. So I highly recommend that if dropshipping is something that you've been wanting to try, you've been wanting to get into, this is by far the best opportunity that I have ever seen in the space. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and take full advantage of this, because truly this is an insane offer and I really don't know how much longer this is going to be available, because of just strictly the amount of value that these guys are giving away for 100% free.